Good day, everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you about how to create a special combination chart, or if you want to call it a combo chart. Okay, so it has the primary access data and then secondary access data, and also the category data horizontally over here. Okay, so assume that if you are given this price and shares trade information about, I would say maybe 53 days, okay, 53 days, then how do you, again, how do you show the chart like this, okay? Yeah, so let me minimize this one, and then here will be the steps, will be using, okay? Yeah, all right, okay, so over here, okay, it say that, based on this information, and then, create a combination chart, okay? And then the data will be in the range of A4, okay, will be over here, A4 goes up to C, 58. So let me do that, okay, so let me select it, okay. All right, one more, there you go. And then, I'm going to create a combination chart. So I'm going to go to insert, and then over here, I will be using the recommended charts, because this will be easier, okay? So let me click on this one. And then the first tab shows the recommended chart. Second one shows the all charts. So let me select the second one. And from the very button here, then you can see that there is a combination chart over here. So let me select the last one. But at the same time, under this combination chart is a couple of choices. This one, the first one is the clustered column line. Second one will be the clustered column together with the line is the secondary axis, which is the one we'll be using. All right, so once we have that, and then if we look further, on the left, it says that, display the price data as a line chart. Okay, so as of now, the price is not a line chart. Okay, so we have to change this one to the line. Okay, yeah, to the line. Don't pick the second one. Okay, pick the first one will be fine. But then the as the primary. Okay, and then the secondary, which will be the shares traded, okay, as the secondary, but then displayed as a clustered column chart. As of now, it is not. Okay, so let's change this one to clustered column chart. Again, pick the first one. Don't pick the second one. Okay, pick the first one. Okay, so far so good. Okay, then now we can click okay. So it create a chart like this, pretty neat. Okay, yeah. So we have done step one. Step two is say move the chart to the uh, pros prospectus chart. Okay, it will be in the front. Okay, so let me select the chart, right click the mouse button and pick move chart. And then over here, I'm going to pick move to this one, prospectus. Yeah, so let me select that one and then click OK. So there you go. Okay, so it moved to the prospectus chart. Let me move to the lab. Okay, there you go. So you can see that the worksheet is highlighted, but to get out which area, so it will move to A26. Okay, so oops, sorry, let me redo it again, undo it again. Okay, let me move this one to 8. Okay, so left corner will be A26. Okay, and then the right corner will be D38. Okay, so let me move this one to D38. It's about right. Okay, pretty good. So we've done step B. Okay, and then step C said that change the chart title to recent history. Okay, so let me select this one and then Just delete those the old information there. Okay, and let me change this one to recent history. Okay, yeah. So far so good. Okay. Yeah, but then next, so we're done step C. Step D, is a displayed access titles on the chart. Okay, and then actually, if we look at the sample here, okay, so we have the access titles. So the secondary one, the primary one, the horizontal one. We do not have those options here. It's fine. Okay, again, if you select the chart over here, there's a plus sign over here, then just click on it. Okay, then it allow you to add the option, access titles. There you go. So you can see that if I move, put the check mark over there, then it give me the option of horizontal axis title, and then this vertical one, the secondary, and then the primary. So that's what we want. Okay, yeah. So far so good. So now, okay, we got to change the title. Okay, the vertical axis title. Okay, left hand side one. Okay, will be the price. Okay, so again, okay, I'll put the insertion point over there, and then just delete. Okay, those information. Okay, then I'm going to put price. Okay, and then the vertical axis. Okay, for the second one. Okay, over here. Okay, so again, let me put the insertion point over there. Okay, and then let me delete the all information, and then let me put this one as shares. Okay, yeah, shares traded. Okay. All right. Okay, we'll do the rotation later. Okay, and then this one will be the date. Okay, yeah, will be the date. Okay, will be the date. All right. Yeah. So far so good. Okay, but then it mentioned about change the angle of rotation of the shares trade to rotate a text down. So as of now, the it shows shares traded. Okay, so if we look at it again, then it means that we want to kind of rotate the content share from the top. So let's do that. Okay, so let me select this one. Right click the mouse button and pick format access title. Okay, and then the information pop up. Let me select the text options. Okay, and then select the text box. Okay, and then over here, okay, let me see, okay, whether I can give myself more room. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so let me just pick this one. Okay, let me see. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Rotate all text 90 degrees. Okay. So if we look at the information here, yeah, that's good. Okay, now it reads from top to bottom. Okay, shares get traded. Okay, that's what we want. Okay, all right. Okay, so we have done step D already. Now, okay, we're going to do step E. Okay, it say place the legend. Okay, on the right hand side. So this will be the legend. Okay, as of now, is at the button. Okay, so select the whole box. Okay, right click the mouse button. Okay, and then pick format legend. And as of now, the location is at the button. So pick at the right. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we see that it moved to the right. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so we're done step E already. Okay, and then step F. Okay, now we're going to do step F. Change the scale of the secondary axis. Okay, to go from 0 to 1.6 exponential. Okay, 0.8. Okay, so this will be the data over here. So again, select this one, right click the mouse button and pick format axis. All right, and again, let me give myself some room here. Okay, so I'm going to change the default value, the bound scale from 0. This is good for the minimum, but maximum I'm going to change it to 1.6. Okay, E get 0.8. Okay, and I'm going to press the enter key. There we go. So you can see that pretty good. Immediately, the information here changed. Okay. And then also we have to do the scale in units of 1 million. Okay, so as of now, display unit is none. Okay, it's fine. Just select the millions. Okay, yeah, there you go. So it gives us more room over here. So far, so good. All right. All right, I think then that will be all. Okay, you want to do a little bit improvement. Okay, it could be over here. Okay, so let me show it to you. Okay, what I try to say over here. So you can see that over this screenshot, it displays the date with more information there. So we can try to improve our chart a little bit. Okay, so select the box over here, then right click the mouse button, pick format access. Okay, and then go to the text option. Okay, text option. Okay, yeah, and then go to the text box option. Okay, and then you can put maybe negative 45 angle. Okay, so you can see that pretty good. Okay, press enter key. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I don't worry about 2 digits or 4 digits for the year. I mean, it's fine. Okay, you put 4 digits is totally fine with me. I think that will be all okay for this step, all the sub steps of step 6. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, I hope that this is useful to you. Okay, let me stop the video. Okay.